Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We're going to be making our Man Can announcement for the month of August. The box that's going out right now is our survival box, which I have to say, Brandy killed it. This is a great box. You guys are going to be so happy. We are going to be unboxing this particular one here, so if you're hoping to be surprised, you might not want to watch this segment of the video because it is going to be a spoiler alert here. The one that's for sale right now is our medical box. It's going out in September. Get it now while you guys can. It's not going to be for sale much longer for pre-order. Make sure you get your pre-order in for the medical box. It's going to be filled with awesome stuff, very useful things that I promise you guys are going to be really happy with for your medical kit. All of the Man Can purchases go right towards supporting the channel. All the funds you spend, all the earnings we make go right back into supporting the videos. Man Cans is basically a mystery box. That is a tiered box. You have a standard can that's $30. And then you have a $60 can and a $100 can. And when you buy the higher tiers, you get all the items in the previous tier, okay? We've been doing Man Cans for a long time, and we've gotten a lot of wonderful support from you folks over the years, and we really appreciate it. It allows us to take on bigger and better projects, and allows us to continue putting out our content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything like that. So thank you for being a part of that. Also, our Patreon supporters, thank you guys so much for the support that you give us every single month. And also those of you who buy shirts and merch over on the website, all the funds we earn go right back into supporting the channel. So thank you so much for being a part of it. Get your medical can while you can. And then we'll be moving on to the next month, which I don't even know the theme off the top of my head, but I know the medical one is the one that's still for sale right now. Okay. And guys, there's been confusion. Look, whatever can you go and buy on the website is the one you're pre-ordering, okay? So just because you're ordering a can in August, you see me unboxing this, doesn't mean this is the can you're getting. You're pre-ordering the can that you're pre-ordering. So if you see medical and that's what you're pre-ordering, then that's what you're pre-ordering. Some people get confused. And there's a few cases where we try to, take care of people that get really confused, but just know that what you're ordering is what you're ordering. You'll know when you check out, it'll say which can you're getting. Okay. Now, the regular can, we did and look guys, this box has got so much useful stuff in it. You guys are going to be stoked. Absolutely stoked. I'm so excited. All right, so the regular can, we did a Mora knife. All right, this is just one of the basic field Moras. And this is really intended to be just a knife that can stow away in your survival box or whatever, your survival kit, and just be a good multi-use knife that's really lightweight and easygoing, stainless steel, really easy. These things hold a great edge. They're wonderful knives, okay? So that's part of the $30 box. All right, the tinder tabs. Let's see. There's so much stuff. You got some fire-making tinder tabs that are going to go into your survival kit. We got this really cool little setup here. It's got some diagrams on how to tie knots, okay? So this is a nice thing to have in your kit there. So you got a knot tying kit, and it shows you how to tie a bunch of different knots. Okay, a waterproof matchbox, okay? A couple of these you can put some, fire making implements into. Your matches, obviously, but you could probably stuff your tinder tabs into one of these as well and keep all this stuff dry for fire making. All right, we got a utensil set, okay? You got a knife, a fork, and a spoon. So you got you some utensils there. Always a nice thing to have handy. And we did these waterproof bags. Oh, it fell. Sorry, guys. All right. These waterproof bags here are really handy because not only can you carry water in them, like say you need to go to a water source, fill it up full of water, and fill up your cooking pot or put out a fire or something like that. You can use it for that. But when you dry it out, it's also a weatherproof bag to keep it, everything waterproof, okay? So that's a $30 box, and that's a lot of value stuffed into a $30 can there. We actually ended up losing a little money on the $30 can, but I really wanted to make, we really want to make these cans awesome, and we want you guys to be super happy, and we want you guys to want to buy these. And we know that a lot of you guys buy these boxes to support the channel, and we really appreciate that. But we want people to want them because they want them, not just because they want to support the channel. Supporting the channel is an awesome byproduct, but at the end of the day, you guys are buying something, and I want to make sure y'all are happy. Okay, so the Man Up can, this is a $60 tier. You get everything that we just showed here. All right, and we did a roll of paracord. Okay, so you guys get some paracord. You guys know in your survival kit, you always got to have some paracord laying around. All right, and y'all ready for this? Iraq Veteran MRE. So we got some food here. Now, all the menu items aren't the same. You kind of get the pick of the litter there in terms of, you know, the luck of the draw, I guess you would say, in terms of which flavor. Now, this one happens to be beef stew. Not a bad MRE. We got these through MRE Nation. And I'll tell you what, we're going to do a separate video, and Chad and I are going to eat an MRE. I don't know if Chad's ever eaten an MRE, so I'm going to show him how he may have to be the taste tester since he's an MRE virgin. All right, that might be a really fun video. So I'll pick out a good menu for him. Let's just say I'll give him the best items that I know of, okay? But MRE Nation offered to do these MREs for us for this box, and we thought it'd be really cool, and they actually put our branding on it. So now I can say that I have my own MRE. So if you want to buy your own Iraq Veteran brand MREs, you can go over to MRE Nation and do so if you want. They will offer these with the Iraq Veteran packaging. For the really, truly hardcore fans of the channel, you can get your very own Iraq Veteran MRE. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm feeling pretty good about that so far. Okay, so getting into the Mega Man up. You guys are going to be so dang happy. Y'all are going to love this. Okay. All right, so we did the pocket chainsaw. Look at that. You can cut down trees. So you get a pocket chainsaw. That's really cool. And gosh, these things were a little pricey, but anyway, it's worth it. Y'all are worth it. Okay, we did the stainless steel cup, Mil-Spec Plus, so you can cook stuff in it. You know, this is perfect for, like, you know, cooking a little pot of soup or something, or warming up some water, or drinking out of, obviously. It's got a little lid on it. Really handy little mess tin, okay? So gosh, you got the makings of a fun time out in the woods, you know? You're thriving, not surviving at this point, right? And then, all right, so all of you $100 folks who bought the $100 can, we got a surplus British bag. These are real deal British issue little stuff bag, little messenger bag, okay? And it is lightly padded. Yeah, field pack. And it's got a, you know, generous capacity. Okay, it's got a strap there to carry it. Looks like it's even got like a couple of slots here to put through there for your belt if you want. You can mount it on a belt. That's a really handy little piece of kit, and it's real deal British surplus that we got. So that's really cool. You know, these little guys, you know, we got them in a significant quantity, so we're able to get a bit of a price break, but they're relatively, you know, not cheap. But I think this box came together great. I hope you guys are as happy about it as I am. Wonderful stuff. That's our survival box. This is the one that's going out right now. Thank you guys so much for the support. And it's funny because, you know, we didn't sell quite as many of the survival boxes as I thought we would. So I was a little surprised at that. Usually survival's a pretty hot theme. You know, we did pretty good on the EDC. The medical box, we've still got some of those left. If you guys want to pre-order, go ahead and get them on the way. It'd be great. We're going to really try to knock this medical box out of the park. So if you guys want to get in on it, make sure you get your medical box order in now. You've got to get your order in within the next 2 or 3 days, because we're going to put orders in. We got to turn in units so we can get our orders in and get all of our products in time to ship out to you. So luckily, knock on wood, this box is going out on time. The EDC box we were a little bit late on because we had a little bit of a delay with our custom knife. But life goes on. This one went out on time, which is such a nice thing. When things happen on time, it's always a good thing. Brandy did a great job on this one. Definitely want to thank her for really putting in the legwork to make this one happen and put it together. We're working really hard to make you guys happy, putting out lots of content. I'm staying very active on Instagram and Facebook, really trying to put pertinent information out there to you guys. We have been much more politically active over the last year and a half or so, and I foresee that that's going to be a continuing thing. We have caught a little bit of flack over that, but I think it's important that somebody in our position with our reach and the type of followers we have to be politically active and make sure that people really know where we stand with what we're doing with things on the channel and the 2A community. So thank you so much for supporting our channel, supporting our efforts, and keeping us going. We really appreciate the support. It means a lot to me and my family. It means a lot to Chad's family. We rely on Man Can sales to help us run our channel, to help us stay liquid. So thank y'all for being a part of that. And thank you guys for supporting Man Cans all these years. Get your medical box order in now before it's too late, because we're going to turn in the orders and then it'll move on to the next tier. If you guys want to get in on that September can, you got to get your orders in now. Thank you guys so very much. Thank you for supporting Ballistic Ink and supporting the t-shirt shops of all your favorite content creators. We've now rolled out a ton of wonderful content creators under Ballistic Ink, and we're doing shirts for them now. So make sure you check those guys out. Not just me, but all your favorite content creators. All those guys have got merch and t-shirts, hats, and everything like that over on the site. Anything you buy from those content creator shops goes to them in terms of supporting them. So that's a very somewhat passive way you can support your favorite content creators, is over on Ballistic Ink. Whether you buy my shirts or Tim at Military Arms Channel or Plinkster or any of those guys, you're supporting all of them, and girls, by the way, by purchasing t-shirts over on this site. So any merch you buy, any man cans you buy, all the funds go to supporting us and helping us out and to putting this content out. Also, a special thanks to our Patreon supporters one more time. Thank you guys so much for what you do for us and for donating on Patreon. Thank you guys so much for the support. Many more videos on the way. We are having a blast putting this content out, and we hope you guys are enjoying it. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Much more on the way, and we'll see you soon.